so these are great questions.
So you basically, the developer comes to you and says, "Hey, I'm thinking about building this thing, and I'm thinking about building it here." And you actually make sure that it is viable, I guess, for them to actually build the thing there. You take it through all the regulatory aspects of it, and then they
Right.
go out and they hire an architect to design the building, and maybe the architect will hire an engineering firm to actually do the design drawings, and then you guys come in and then build it according to those drawings, or do you actually sometimes get involved and also designing maybe the footprint of the building or the foundations for the building and like the MEP inside the
Yeah.
building? Where does your engineering
Yeah.
kind
So
of
these are great questions. So
yeah.
in the out there, like let's just talk about like out there in the world, right? So like if you're talking about an engineering firm that just does engineering professional services and they're trying to make their money on engineering, they're not going to have any in-house architectural. That client is going to have to hire an architect to be their architect. And in the site plan approval process, you actually have to submit a floor plan and elevation that shows the board what this building's going to look like. But it isn't, I would say it's not meant to be construction document level of detail. It's it's a building shell and floor plan of like what we think will be code compliant that will be able to be made into building permit plans down the road. And so Redcom has the architectural department in-house as well. So where we do still sort of get into design build contracts, occasionally we might do that with the civil engineering and the site plan part, but we do still regularly do design build contracts where once we have the site plan approval, we'll give them like a fee to go design and build the building and the site work. So
Cool.
so we have estimators that are estimating site work based on our drawings, and we have architects that are drawing the building. We don't do in-house MEP, which is the mechanical, electrical, plumbing. We hire a sub-consulting mechanical, electrical, or plumbing firm to do those drawings. But we do coordinate that because the architects are like the quarterback of that whole thing. So we have the architects in-house, we draw the drawings of the building, like they're going to be something that can be submitted. And then Redcom, if we're in a design build contract, then we're just like running with it, which saves a bunch of time by hiring us to do like that all together, because it's just easier, it's seamless.